everyone's asking Bear with Fashion. My little black bag just arrived in the mail, and I just wanted to do it because I was just getting ready to start dinner when I saw the mail came in. I knew it was arriving today, so I've been wanting to do an unboxing of my little black bag since last year. So I thought I would just do it since I got it. And so let's get started. It's black. And everything. Okay. First we have, oops, the cap lid is broken. Oh man, it's all broken. See? But it's the Clarel Professional Volume loose, so adds fullness and body all day long to your hair. So I thought that'd be neat to try out, so yeah. Okay. Next we have a arrow ring, and let's see, what is this by? Doesn't say. I think it's like Flea Market Girl it was by. It's an adjustable ring. Yeah. So it's just like that. That was really cool. It made Mary and Robin Hood-ish. Like that. And then I have been wanting these earrings for so long that I'm glad to finally have them. These are by Catherine Steen Design. And they're just like a lilac purple crystal earrings, and I love these. These are so gorgeous. On the website they look all clear, but really they're lilac. So love these, and I can't wait to wear them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Then I got this bracelet. I think it was by Punch or something. That it is just like this. And it's an adjustable one where it's this little cording, which is great because I have small wrist. And let's see. Let's try it out. And it fits perfect. It just looks like that. So this would be great in the summertime when I wear it with my watch. So, love this. Then I got a Michael Marcus blush in Luxurious. Packaging. Let's get it open. Yeah. Looks like it's really soft and pigmented. So I'll try this out. And then I got an NCLA nail polish. And what color was this in again? I'm with the band. And it's like a reddy pink coral. And of course, looking at this color, I have nail polishes almost exactly like this. So, got that. Then I have 3 of the Peppermint Candy Cane chocolate bars. It's the dark chocolate that they were giving 1 in a box, and I ended up with 3 of them. So yes, I love my peppermint chocolate, and I'm going to be including one of these in my upcoming giveaway. So one of these. The final item is like Cativa retractable waterproof eyeliner, and I believe it's in black. Yep, it's in black. In this little box. Oops, let me get it open. And it's just like that. It's going very well. It's a nice thin line, and it doesn't smudge, so that's really nice. So I can't wait to try this out. Looks like it'll be very good. So yeah, I got mostly some beauty and jewelry products, and then the bonus items was the mousse and the candy. So I did have an Olivia and Joy bag, but I was able in a trade to get a blush, this, and some candy and nail polish things, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I've been wanting to try a Michael Marcus blush for a long time, but no one ever would trade them to me. So when I could get that with these earrings that I've been wanting since I first saw them go on the site, I couldn't pass it up because I've been wanting them for a long time. So yep, I probably won't be doing another little black bag, probably for a couple months. I really try not to do one every month. I try to have them several months between them. So I'm going to have my referral link below, and if you buy a bag through that link and sign up, I will get a free credit for an item in my next little black bag. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's see, this cost was like $49.95. There's also a $29.95 option, but I started off with the big bag, so ended up with 10 items. It was worth, I think my box was worth over $160, I think my box was worth, or $170, somewhere in there. It was really expensive. At one time I almost had a $200 value box, but I traded something. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone!